Or our credit report tip of the day. The end of the year has a way of stirring up every emotion at once. Joy, pressure, nostalgia, and the quiet hope that next year will feel different. In the middle of the shopping, family gatherings, and last-minute plans, it's easy to put your own financial stability on the back burner. But this season can also be the moment you decide you're done carrying the same credit stress into another year. With a few bold, practical steps woven into your holiday routine, you can protect your peace, strengthen your credit, and give yourself a powerful, fresh start long before January arrives.